Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crispy corn. First, select your corn. You can use fresh or frozen kernels, but make sure they are thoroughly thawed and completely dry. This crucial step prevents steaming and promotes that perfect crunch. Next, prepare your seasonings. A simple mix of salt and pepper works wonderfully, or you can get creative with spices like paprika or chili powder. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. For pan frying, heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the corn in a single layer, avoiding overcrowding, which can lead to steaming. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until golden brown and crispy. If you prefer air frying, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the corn with 1 tablespoon of oil, then air fry for about 15 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through. The key to delicious crispy corn is seasoning it right after it comes off the heat. While it's still warm, the seasonings will adhere beautifully. A simple sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper is often all you need to highlight the corn's natural sweetness. For an extra kick, try adding a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a dash of chili powder, or even some grated Parmesan cheese. Mix well to ensure every kernel is coated. Your crispy corn is now ready to enjoy. It makes a fantastic side dish for almost any meal, from grilled chicken to tacos. For a fresh twist, try garnishing it with some chopped fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice. You can also enjoy it as a standalone snack, perhaps with a dipping sauce, or sprinkle it over salads and soups for an added crunch. It's a versatile and incredibly satisfying treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.